welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to install the Tekonsha wiring harness for my Kirk trailer hitch. The item number is 118467 and I got this from eTrailer.com as well. So let's get started and install this. Thanks as always for watching. If you have any comments, leave those below. If you have suggestions for future videos, leave those below as well. Like, subscribe, and let's get started. The first thing we need to do is we need to move this plastic protector back here. We're going to move this stuff up and out of the way. We're going to remove the tools, remove the spare tire. Once we have all that stuff removed, we have to actually remove these two push pins here and here, and this push pin here, and this one here on the back. Okay, well, that sounded like it broke, but it didn't. So we got this out. Okay, so now we're going to get these two back ones out. Which maybe actually works pretty good. Alright, then you pull up on this guy. Sounds like I am breaking stuff. Alright, so you want to make sure you save all these guys. So what I'm hoping I can do is I can actually feed my wire through here down underneath the car. We're going to have to go underneath and check this out, and then over to the trailer hitch so that I don't have to leave it just sitting up here on top of the spare tire. So let's go underneath and give that a shot. Hey guys, so I just spent about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes goofing around underneath, and I'll show you a little bit of that. But I'm sure it would probably be okay in the long run, but there's kind of a protective cover between this part of the car and the muffler, and this wire has to go pretty close to that, and I just don't know over time if that's going to mess the wire up. I don't know how hot that plate gets, so we're just going to go ahead and leave everything up in here. Again, I'm going to use it so frequently for actually towing that I don't think that'll be a big problem. Okay, on the rear driver's side of the car, underneath that panel you pulled off, you'll find that little connector, and that is what you plug in the wiring harness to. And really, that's honestly all you have to do. Once you plug that in, click it in, and you are good to go. Your lights for your trailer should work. So it's actually really cool that Subaru includes all that stuff with the car. I think that's great. So now we just got to figure out where we're going to put all these wires. So once you have that plugged in, we're just going to put that back panel back on, and it'll just snap right into place. And then you put your two push pins in. Okay. So I'm just going to secure this guy with some tape. Thinking for now, I'll just secure this right here. These guys back in their dealy bobber. Now, let's see where this tire sits in relation to this wire. So essentially, take all this out, remove these 2 pins in the side plastic or the side styrofoam, remove the 2 pins here, pull this off, plug the white part of the wiring harness into the clip that's already installed, and really that's all there is to it. I mean, there's nothing else that you have to do. When you're going to use it, they say to just make sure you put it away from the hitch or the latch. You close it down right on here, and they say it's not a problem. So that's the way I'm going to do it for now, until maybe I can get some feedback from you guys and what you think about that, how hot that shield gets underneath there with the muffler next to it. Probably would be okay, but like I said, it's not that big a deal. I'm not going to use it that often, so it'll be here if I need it. Alright guys, so that's actually pretty straightforward and pretty easy. That 15 minutes I spent digging around under the car was pretty unnecessary, but like I said, I've never done this before, so I think it would probably work underneath there, but we're just going to go this method for now. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe. More Crosstrek and 911 videos coming down the road. Have a good evening.